During my spring break, my dad and I went over to Colorado to visit some colleges. I was excited to see some colleges in the outdoors. I wanted to go to a college that has an outdoor lifestyle, and Colorado seems to fit that bill. Our flight was at night, unfortunately, so I wasn't able to see any of the Rockies from the plane. I'm sure they would have been beautiful. I still did get to see a great sunset from the plane though. Our first day in Colorado, we had no college visits lined up, so we decided to go skiing. I had never gone skiing before, so this is my first time. At first I could only turn left, but after an hour I picked it up. The view from the peak that we skied on was absolutely gorgeous. We could see for miles and miles. All around us spanned the Rockies. The second day, we visited Colorado State University. They had amazing views of the mountain ranges. They also had many engineering-focused shops and labs that were open to all students if they took a safety class. And they also had free pizza. The second day, my dad and I went for a hike. The place we were hiking was called Garden of the Gods. The garden was made of these iron-rich rock formations that were jutting out of the ground. From some points on our hike, we could see what we thought might have been Pikes Peak, but we weren't sure. Then there were the animals we saw. We saw these birds that had beautiful colors on their tails. Unfortunately, my camera couldn't capture the colors. We also saw deer. They were pretty standard deer. The third day, we went to University of Colorado, which I didn't like all that much. Their shop was small and not very accessible. The last day, we went to Colorado School of Mines, which is right here. This college was my favorite. It had an awesome road that I biked up. It has an elevation change of about 1,700 feet. This was the view from the top. Mines also had a super accessible shop and amazing views, like at CSU. I liked the community at Mines more than at CSU.